Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will read lesson 8 of English Grammar class 6. Open your books at page 27. The lesson is about adverbs. We will read in this lesson about adverbs and adverb phrases. As we have already read, adverbs are the words which enhance the meanings of a verb or which explains a verb. So we will start reading the text first. At times, a single adverb is not able to completely tell us how, when, or where something happens. More words are needed to get a clear view. Okay, for example, this plane took off quickly. Here, quickly is adverb, but we need more than one word to explain it. So, come to next example. The plane took off with a big roar. With a big roar is called an adjective phrase. It is telling how the plane took off. So, by inserting these words, it has made the sentence more interesting and more clear. So, the words which enhance the meaning of an adverb, these are called adverb phrases. The next one, the plane landed in the middle of the night. Here, the middle of the night tells us when the plane landed. Next one, the plane landed in a lonely spot. Here we are told where the plane landed. When we use more words, we get a better idea of what happened. So the group of words in red in the above examples are called adverb phrases. Okay, adverb phrases actually makes the sentence, make a statement more clear, and we can insert more than one word to make a sentence clear. Come to the practice. We have to underline the above adverb phrases in these statements. First one, the giant came to his room huffing and puffing with anger. Here the adverb phrase is huffing and puffing. Second one, we went to see the flower show in the evening. It is in the evening is adverb phrase because adverb phrase actually gives answer to when, where, or how the thing is happening. So it is the answer that flower show is happening in the evening. Stan and Justin went up to the roof to fly kites. Here adverb phrase is up to the roof. It shows where the thing is happening. It is up to the roof. Come to next page. Okay. The hitchhikers pitched their tent for the night by the lakeside. So by the lakeside, it is adverb phrase. Fifth one, we must water the plants in the evening. So in the evening is adverb phrase. Next practice, we have to fill in the blanks with suitable adverb phrases. Again, you can insert the adverb phrases of your choice, but I have filled these blanks. Like the cruel master beat up his dog with a stick. You can also insert the cruel master beat up his dog with cruelty. He walked up the stage with pleasure to receive his prize. He parked his car on the road. The police found the missing man in the forest. The boys shouted with loud voice when the principal announced the excursion. Come to next. We have to complete the sentences with the phrases given below. We are given these phrases and we have to fill it up. Again, I have filled it up. He cleaned his hands thoroughly with plenty of soap. As the train went into the tunnel, it whistled loudly. In a flash, the tiger had jumped on its prey and killed it. The bungalow was burgled early last night, according to the police. They reached home after sunset. Mr. Lewis became a complete recluse in the last years of his life. And I have taken all these adverb phrases from the given list. Okay, you have to make the sentences of your own. And this is homework. You have to do it on your copy, but I can make one sentence for you. At the marketplace, it is adverb phrase. And we can make sentence like, I saw fashionable ladies at the marketplace, or one more, smiling mysteriously. The young man was smiling mysteriously. You can make sentences of your own choice. Come to the extended exercise. Again, we are given adverb phrases and we have to fill them up in the blanks. I have filled it up and I'm going to read it. You have to do all this work on your books only. Exercise C, which is homework which you have to do on your copies. Okay, I'm going to read it. Once there lived in a certain kingdom a king and a queen. They lived happily with their beautiful baby. On her first birthday, the royal couple decided to celebrate it in a big way. They invited all the fairies and other friends to bless the baby. They somehow forgot to invite one wicked fairy. All the fairies came in a big way and blessed the baby wholeheartedly with gifts of wisdom, kindness, and happiness. Before the last witch could complete her blessing, the castle door opened and the wicked fairy came, stamping her feet and seething with anger. She shouted at the top of her voice and said, my gift to the princess is that she will live to be only 16. On hearing that, the king and queen started crying bitterly. The last fairy, who had not yet given the blessing, said, do not cry. I will prevent the spell from being so terrible. The princess will not die but will sleep for 100 years till a prince wakes her up. So students, again I have filled these blanks from these adverb phrases which are given at the top. So lesson is done. Thank you so much.